Alright, here's the next step. I've already broken free the injectors, the injector rails, I should say. And the way that I did this on this level here is, for one, let me take this out so you guys can see. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts right there, right there, right there, and right there. Okay. And so when you take those 4 bolts out, then you get the actual flathead screwdriver and you put it in and wedge it in between that area there. And you do it from this side. So then you just wedge it right inside that little bracket, and then you just lift up, and then these things will start popping up, and you have the one back here, so you can safely pop these things out without breaking them. And the same thing goes for this side on this rail too. You have that one there, you put it on this side and then back here, and then the whole fuel rail assembly will actually pop up, and then you can actually just kind of just fold it like so. Just kind of place it there. And you want to just kind of be careful because these things do kind of flex a bit. Other than that, we should be fine. This is all your fuel railing stuff. So there you go. That's what it looks like. You know, your injectors and stuff like that. Just like that. You could go ahead and clean them out. Change out the O-rings before you put them back in, or if they feel pretty spongy like, then you should be fine. But the majority of the time, because this car has over 140,000 miles, it's going to be best if I change the O-rings. So there you go. There's that, the way that looks. So maybe changing all this stuff out and cleaning it out. Alrighty. So next thing. Alright, here we go. Next step. Taking out the injector. I guess I call it the injector plenum. This is where your injectors were before, right here. And so I end up popping off this. There's actually this clip that was, oh man, let me see here. There was this clip that was actually attached that slid on right there, and then you just had to poke it right here, and then you're able to pop that guy off. And then there was this part right here, this little guy, and actually it was inserted somewhere. Oh, there's a hole right here somewhere. And so I took that off, so you're able to take this out. If not, then everything wants to come with your actual plenum. I'm sure I'm gonna have to probably change these hoses out because some are a little bit rough. Alright, so then we're able to lift this guy up. There you go. Look at that beauty. Alrighty, so then that's just what the inside looks like. Going to the next step, which would probably be the intake valves themselves. Alright everyone, we'll be back.